Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Project RSX. We're on episode 7, and in the last episode I ended up doing an oil change that luckily fixed my oil leak, which is great. If you guys haven't checked that episode out, I highly recommend checking it out. In today's episode, we're gonna be working on the aesthetics of the car, just a little bit, nothing crazy, but I walked around and I found this one sticker here, which is kind of funny because if you read it, it says anti-theft device. This vehicle is equipped with a manual transmission. So, you know, it's pretty funny. Guys, I'm mostly against stickers on my vehicles, but there is only one sticker that is acceptable, that I will allow to go on my vehicle. That is the Zilla Squad sticker. And luckily one of my good friends, Tamara, she can make this sticker for me, which was perfect, and I just went and picked it up. One of my good friends, Tamara, she makes Yeah. This for the fam. Alright, I'm gonna go get these stickers. So I just picked up, you guys ready for this? I just picked up some legendary stickers. First I got these two, but then I thought, you know what, they might be too small. I'll show you guys where I'm gonna place them. I'll put that on when it's daylight out. So the next day it was nice and bright out. I could throw this sticker on. I put it on transfer paper first, then I can put it on the RSX. So here's where I wanted to place the sticker. I wanted it on the rear window because it was so big, the rear window on the RSX. So if I do put this sticker on there, it's not gonna feel like it's taking up the whole window. I don't want it to feel like it's crowding all that space. I measured it once just so I can get an idea where the dead center is, but then I realized that where the nozzle was right where the dead center of the window was. So I just had to put the sticker right dead smack center in the fucking nozzle, and boom, just like that, the RSX became a whole lot sexier. Also became a lot faster. If you guys don't know, my sticker adds a total of 50 horsepower.
Why are you coming fast? Why are you fucking coming fast?
Solid. I know most stickers only add 5 or 10. And here's the before and after. Zilla Squad year. So that was sick. This is also sick. I bought this RSX Type S badge. I went to a guy that was partying on his car and he sold it to me for $10. So I'm like, hell yeah, I want this on my whip. Now the RSX badge itself, the X was coming apart. That's just how it came. So it's not a big deal. I'll still attach it together. I also ended up picking up this climate control unit that I almost just dropped. I needed this because the backlight behind the knobs was going on mine. It was dim and one of them was dead. Apparently this is a common issue on the RSX. So I got this part from the part out for $20, but the guy also said that one of the lights on this one was burnt, so we'll see how things go with this after. So first we're gonna do the badge. All I did was I buffed up the back of each badge with just a wire wheel so that when I attach the double-sided tape, it sticks onto the surface a lot better. Here's how it looks with the double-sided tape on the back of the badge, and on the Type S badge, the red was peeling, so I thought I could use this red caliper paint that I had left over, and it matched pretty well. It was the same shade of red, and so I could use this. I just used a flat head. I didn't really have a brush or anything around to use, but it worked. It covered up those spots, so it did the job. At this point, I'm ready to install the badge. The first thing I want to do is just wipe this section down where the badge is going to stick onto. And that's really the key right there to make these badges stick for a long time. Just make sure there's no dust or debris there and that the area is dry. You don't want it to be wet. Trying to get it as close as I possibly can, and I use a reference here, just a photo of how the spacing should be, and it was pretty much there. And now I'm going to put the X. At this point, my car was called the Acura X Type S. I was thinking whether or not I should just left the car like this. And then it started to get really late, and I just went and slapped on the RS and finished the RSX Type S badge. So yeah, we got the badge on and we got my sticker on. And as for this AC control unit, I want to change the backlight. I want the backlight to work on the knob. So I go here, I swap out the bulbs in my old one. You see here a Phillips screwdriver just to take some screws out. You pop this open, there's a bulb right there. You twist it first and then you can pull it out like this. But they were all burnt. Every single one of them was burnt like this. You see where it's all like dark around the bulb? Every single one was like this. Even the one from the part out, it was like that as well. So it didn't actually solve my issue. So I ended up returning that part. And you guys can see here as I'm pulsing the lights on and off, only the middle ones illuminate, not the ones around the knob. So I have to get those lights for this. I'll probably order it off Amazon. I've seen a few. But guys, we got the car branded. We're hashtag Zilla Squad out here. We got the badge put on. People gotta know this is a Type S. That's how we're rocking. The backlight, not even a big deal. I'll get that stuff sorted out. But for now, the car's looking good. It's driving good. And I couldn't be happier. And if you guys want to stay up to date with this series, and trust me, it makes 0 cents, absolute 0 cents for you not to be a subscriber. Why would you want to miss out? Please, don't do this to yourself. Hit the subscribe button and stay up to date with this series, guys. It's gonna be a long one. It's gonna be a great one. I'll see you guys in the next episode.